Here tonight with my buddy, my riding buddy David, with his 2015 Honda Foreman. It's got 122 miles on it now. And one of the very first things that David wants to do is get some better CV boot protection and protection for his A-arms up front. As you can see, Honda on these 2014 to 2019 Foremans and Ranchers left that CV boot very susceptible. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you saw that on the 2016 Rancher that I had, one of those boots got torn. And so we opted for, well, David here opted for some Ricochet skid plates. Let's see those. I guess some people have corrected me and said these aren't technically skid plates. They're A-arm guards. Oh, check those out. Red anodized?
Yeah.
Man, that is pretty.
They're good looking.
Got the hardware.
These are beefy.
David's been getting this Foreman all street legal. He's done a dang good job of it. So we're going to go ahead now and work on getting these A-arm guards installed. Está muy bonito.
See?
So have a look at the difference in this A-arm guard and CV boot protection. Ricochet protection, factory Honda. Tremendous difference. And here's how the Foreman looks with nothing. In order to install these plates, just like I did on my Rancher, this piece has got to be trimmed down right about here. And then that plate will fit up inside and mount up right where it's supposed to be. There's the new 2007 Recon we just picked up. And there's the look with the new anodized Ricochet off-road front A-arm guards up in the air. Installation was easy. Easiest with two people. And there's how it looks set down on the suspension. Those are beautiful. And as you can see, those sticks are not going to get through here to get to the CV boots like they did on my Rancher. Beautiful product.
Best part of the whole thing. Every sticker's worth 2 horsepower, right?
I thought it was 3.
Oh, 3, even better. I think Ricochet's worth 5. That look straight?
Looks good to me.